Today we will be presenting to you the proposal of a study entitled The Effectiveness of Utilizing Jackfruit Seeds Flour in Various Baked Products in Isabelite. Background of the study. Developing strategies to increase revenue have led local creators to establish sustainability in the market that permits product specialization through acknowledging baking as a venture. The continual demand of the market, particularly of the baking trends, have led business owners to take part in the activities of improving the style of manufacturing baked products in terms of the baking ingredients, with which brings stability to the local areas through socio-economic development. Baking business sustainability provides comfort and convenience to the customers in terms of its accessibility, freshness, and uniqueness. As a result of this, jackfruit is still plentiful in our area. Its seeds are dispersed and not being used for any other purposes except that it is possible to grow another jackfruit tree again. Alongside, baking industry allows the local administration to encourage the bake shop owners to at least try a new trend of recipe that shall bring delight to the market, particularly in developing new specification of recipes promoting health-friendly ingredients. Moreover, employment will generate and shall provide job opportunities for both blue and white-collar jobs with which the business provides specific and defined position inside the firm. The increasing demand for pastry production encourages vocational, trained residents to respond to these demands. A quick expansion of baking industry is an advantage for the locality to uplift economic status and to build a sustainable community fulfilled with competent residents achieving responsibility to try providing quality service to customers through venturing business containing the styles as a response to the market trends.
Conceptual framework. In this section, this will show the conceptual paradigm to present the figure of the study. Jackfruit seeds flours will be introduced to the local and will be expected to generate customer satisfaction, employment generation, enhancement of proprietors' credentials, and occupational competency. Statement of the problem. Main problem. The study aims to evaluate the effectiveness of jackfruit seeds flour as an ingredient for various bakery products in Isabelite. Objective of the study. This specifically aims to 1. Advertise another variety of flour in the locality. 2. Promote cheaper and more cost-effective flour. 3. Identify the most suitable recipes for use of jackfruit seeds flour. 4. Have insights in the latest stream of income for local jackfruit growers. 5. Enter a flour option for bake shop operators. 6. Develop a nutritious and diabetic-friendly recipe using the ingredient jackfruit seeds flour. And lastly, 7. Develop the experience and expertise of supporters of study management. Significance of the study. This research is in great significance in the field of agriculture, business, and hospitality, where it will create and boost more opportunities in the said fields. Furthermore, this study could be of importance to the following: future researchers. The ideas presented would be used as a reference data in conducting new researches, and that this could be used to test the validity of other related findings. Employment rate. The data gathered in this study would encourage proprietors to establish a business under the baking industry, which will lead to generation of employment in terms of producing locally made products, which will be patronized by tourists. Food business proprietors, micro and macro. The research will benefit the local businessmen of Isabelite through introduction of a new trend of affordable flour, providing potential health benefits which follow them to manufacture quality baked products. Health-conscious people. The findings of the study will help heighten their awareness about the benefits of jackfruit seeds in order to prevent chronic disease and long-term illnesses. Local residents. The findings of the study will help encourage the proprietors to establish a business that will generate employment. This will also help educate the people on the positive things they can gain in utilizing jackfruit seeds specifically. Health benefits and their knowledge in bakery shall increase. Scope and limitations. This study focuses on the evaluation of the effectiveness of utilizing jackfruit seed flour in various baked products in Isabelite.
Chapter 2. Review of related literature. Conceptual literature. Jackfruit seed
is a potential local food source, which can be derived as flour. However, this seed contains several oligosaccharides such as raffinose and stevia, which can cause flatulence for humans, and these substances will also create a darker color during flour processing. Effort to reduce this type of oligosaccharides is reported here by introducing fermentation technique using Lactobacillus plantarum. With incorporated jackfruit seed flour possess better nutraceutical appeal, leading to improved consumer acceptability. The present study attempted to review the health-promoting effects of jackfruit seeds with special emphasis on their applications in the food. It also reveals the valorization of jackfruit seeds in various value-added products along with their effects on the different properties of the products, according to Braz G. Food Technology 2019. Jackfruit seed can be converted into flour and to be used as a protein and carbohydrate supplement in diets, or can also use as a functional agent in a variety of formulated foods in a bakery product, according to the Otekbayo et al. 2013.
Chapter 3: Research Methodology. Research Design. This analysis helps researchers to learn about jackfruit seed flour in Isabel Leyte and appreciate its usefulness for baking products. In this study, questions and interview analysis techniques will be used. Qualitative analysis can be observed. It can generate views and other data from the respondents. Research Environment. The target participants of the study is the first-class municipality of Leyte, which is Isabel Leyte. Research Respondents. 10 persons will be selected to cook a recipe with the use of jackfruit seed flour. Another way of having our participants is through the use of the random sampling technique. The researcher will be able to come with up a several number of participants with which are open to use and consume bakery products made from the jackfruit seed flour within the locality of Isabel.
Techniques. The simple random sampling procedure was applied for selection of participants in this study. Research instruments. The researcher will design a schedule for distribution of questionnaire and interview for data collection. As the research instrument for this study, prospective participants will be interviewed, and the goals of the questionnaire and interview questions are to collect data regarding the effectiveness of utilizing jackfruit seed flour. Research question. Number 1. What will happen if the bake shop owners will use jackfruit seeds flour in the products? 2. Basically, will they use jackfruit seed flour as a substitution to non-wet and wet flours? 3. Does the taste, aroma, color doesn't differ much from other flours? Does the usage of the jackfruit seed flour contribute to the effect of the taste of the baked products? 5. Will you recommend the flour base of your experience? 6. Are they willing to develop new recipes using the jackfruit seed flour on bread and pastries recipes? Data gathering procedure. This study will undergo on this following stage. 1. Researcher will produce flour out from jackfruit seed. 2. Researcher will prepare baked goods made out from jackfruit seed flour and prepare ingredients for selected people to cook a recipe out of said flour. Number 3. Distribution out of the baked goods and ingredients to the participants. 4. Distribution of questionnaires and interviews. 5. Data collection and transcription of interviews. 6. Researcher will tabulate, interpret, and analyze the obtained data. Statistical treatment of data. With the data obtained, information will be extracted, interpreted, and computed to produce a concrete and robust research finding on how effective jackfruit seed flour for various baked products in Isabel Leyte.